This is your brand?
And this is grocery shopping with Chef Todd. But I'm always on the hunt for, different wines. It doesn't necessarily have to be the most expensive, but I like to pair it with different stuff. So, say for instance, if I wanted to go to Asian profile, I'm gonna look at, Asian wines and see, okay, well, what did they use to make this wine?
Right.
I really like more farm to table stuff.
Okay.
So I'm always looking to get things, that are really fresh, because they have, somewhat of a different feel to them. I'll use this a lot, which gives earthy feel to it. Again, the region, Istanbul, spicy. So it's going to be earthy.
I was rewatching Michael talk about that. He loves Israel.
Yeah, exactly. So something like that, I would definitely use a spice blend like this, because I know it's going to give me the same flavor as food in that region. When you think beer, you're not thinking there's a dessert beer and peaches and cream beer.
No, not at all.
But that's what I'm saying. There's so many flavors that we have not really explored yet. I don't like watery drinks.
No. You want them thick, but
I want them to have that body, but still the same, what do you call that?
Consistency or texture?
Consistency and texture.
Okay.
Just good grits.
Right.
You want them to have that consistency. But for me, like Stone Brown, Polenta, is what I like to go with when I'm doing it. And Whole Foods is always going to have it.